far as your cushion clamps go, they're pretty self-explanatory. You roll these screws out, you put the clamp around the bar, and then just put your screw back down through. So they look like that. So you just screw them down. Now, I make it sound easier than it really is because these cushion clamps can be a fight to get around the bar. By the time you get them on the bar, it's really tight to try to get the screw in. So you may have to fight that a little bit. But once these are in place, this thing will be solid on that bar. For the radio, we include a couple of bolts with a lock nut on there. These, again, fairly self-explanatory. You just put these through one of these holes, and depending on which hole you put them in, you can put them like in the center and make it straight, but you could put one on this side and then one on this side, and it makes it curve. It makes it puts it on skew. You can see how you could skew the radio one direction or the other, depending on which hole you put it, or which part of the mount you put it through. If you want it straight, you just put it on either the front or the back. So I got the one on there loose. I kind of just go up through the bottom, wrap this around on there. I'm just going to loosely put the nut on there. You would obviously tighten them really down tight, and then you can see that it'd be hanging on the bar. And then when it's on the bar, then you just put this in and you'll put your 4 screws. There's 4 black screws included with the kit. And you just put the screws in there. And it doesn't matter if you want you can have these in the back or the front. So if I just had this, say it was put on the bar this way, then it'll give you a greater degree to tilt it. So you could put it like that and then have it tilted up, or you could have the back towards the back and then tilt it down further. You can kind of adjust the angle of your radio with this bracket.